4-ton straight cool split system converted into a heat pump. I did not feel that the discharge header was adequate to be the suction return line in heat pump mode, so I widened it into a 7/8 and 2/2 inches coming out of the header. Check valve. In cooling mode, liquid would flow, subcooled liquid would flow through this header, through the check valve to the indoor TXV for cooling. In heat pump mode, liquid coming from the indoor unit can't flow through the check valve, forced up through the TXV, and then the distributor feeds into the header. And now this is the suction going back to the compressor. Equalizer line.